My name is Jenn Danis, and I'm the camp manager here at KISS 3. One of my many jobs, camp managing is a bit, I don't know, like maybe a cross between being a high school principal and being, I don't know, like a janitor, I guess, and everything in between. One of my jobs here is to do weather observations, specifically for flights that come in to camp. I do weather obs 3 times a day on non-flight days, and then on flight days, hourly, 3 hours before a flight takes off up until it lands. The way that we do weather obs here, we have a portable polar meteorological kit that we get from the United States Antarctic Program. We have a resource in kind arrangement, and they give us stuff, we give them stuff. It's a really great relationship. This has all of the kinds of instrumentation that we need in order to take weather obs. Up at the top is an anemometer. We've got a humidifier / temperature gauge that tells us the dew point, which is important to know if there's likely to be fog. And then the solar panel keeps the data logger powered. And then there's a Wi-Fi antenna that beams the obs automatically. I just put the information into the ob through a offline browser, and it gets sent away. The things we want to look at are sky cover. Right now we have an overcast sky. We've got some light snow, which is a precipitation, something that planes aren't really a huge fan of when it comes to flying to field camps. And we have poor surface definition, another factor that decides whether a pilot or not wants to fly here or thinks it's safe. And then horizon definition and horizontal visibility. Right now we have about 1 mile of visibility. We have vis markers set at 1 mile, 2 miles, and 3 miles. And those are important because if the visibility changes to less than 3 miles, that would call for a special observation. Let's see, so if I were a pilot, I probably wouldn't fly here today, but we've generally had pretty good weather. The ceiling is probably at or just below minimum, and it's a bit like walking around in a golf ball, or the inside of a ping pong ball rather.